Nigga, this is the moment.
Yo, I'm already recording. What the fuck? I'm out of
There's a train coming. There's a fucking train coming.
my document, my death.
The train coming. I'm sleeping. I'm leaving a quarter here, bro.
We look like dumbasses. People are like, damn, these niggas are about to die. Probably is. Well, that train's coming. Hopefully we get hit by it.
Ah, damn. Fuck, bro, shit. Oh, no, it's over there, right?
Yeah, it's all right over there.
You better be. Yeah, he's old, man. She fucking snake.
We've got a plane here?
You gonna airdrop those videos to me?
Why is it stopping? That nigga better not tell us anything.
I mean, what can they say? People come here. Oh, shit, bro. I just, oh, fuck.
Bro, that looks creepy as fuck. This guy's probably gonna try to stop us before we die.
Oh, shit.
Baby, get up in there.
This is last.
Good. Hey,
Here, take this,
camera.
take this.
Hey, keep right.
Other steps. I'm a head ass.
Bro.
Bro.
I can't fit.
Bro.
Oh, he stopped.
Okay, good.
Is he finna tell us something? He literally stopped like right there. He did.
Let me see one of the knives, bro. I'm not walking back there, I'm like.
Yeah. Let's go.
Hold on, bro. Hold on. We gotta map out the area first. That's it.
These guys are.
He said he was from the 1940s.
Yeah, it's all broke.
New kicks, bro.
Damn, fire kick. That's what you do. There's still fucking clothes in here and shit.
I can't make a bed back there. See it? On the Polar Express. Where's the mattress up here? Which one we gonna do then? You guys do it so if we see somebody coming, we can put it up.
What's up? Don't touch that. That's where we're going next.
Alright, bro. We at these abandoned train cars, but we going to the brewery next, bro. What is? Oh, damn.
Are we? Yeah. Kitchen knife.
I tried to call my name in it. Or I could just use all the glass over here. Alright, bro.
That's cold.
That's cold?
Yes.
Well, why does it?
Whose water is that?
Oh, I swear we didn't have this water.
No, that water was not there.
Cut that hole open.
Oh, go up on that train.
Dump it. Dump it. Yeah,
Alright, bro, look.
I just play like right here.
Yeah.
We see you. Oh, fuck.
Where? We see you.
H-Town. We
Well,
actually
boy.
T-Town, but you know.
Little drug, little well boy.
Alright. I guess we're gonna play on the first one or this one?
This one.
This one?
Sure. Right here.
Hold on. You gotta have a window.
Shit, bro, this is where. Oh, fuck. Are you ready, bro?
Fuck you. Bro, look. This is where it was going. Oakland to Galveston, Texas. I'm guessing. That's why people died on here.
Or I'm just guessing that somebody like.
Yeah, it's cunted, bro. People.
Or
crashed.
I'm really just guessing like somebody came from Oakland, California to Galveston, and that's the date that they came.
I'm guessing this was coming from somewhere and it crashed. Right here. I mean, if it didn't crash, why would everything be here?
Bring it out. Take it out. Let's go.
Just park you put it in.
Shit, bro, some chairs. Just sit down something.
There you go, Mason. Here, hold on.
Oh shit! I can't believe this.
Alright, it's recording again.
They said we gotta be serious.
Should I?
We should set the camera up after this and take a picture. Like it was.
Yeah.
Do a live pic.
I'm just gonna set it up right here.
Where's the back end?
Here, put it up. I don't want like nothing to distract you during this. Like honestly,
The man's not trying to die.
I'm not trying to die. I'm gonna get this the pigs.
Alright, this is fucking perfect. This is where we're just gonna set up everything. Yeah, it should be straight.
Welcome to your tape.
We should all just get sit right here.
This is our evidence,
Watch out, I'm sitting on this side.
bro.
No one's coming. No one's coming.
I wonder why this thing stopped.
They're probably filling up the cart or doing something.
We fixed it. You guys sit like in the middle.
Yeah.
I've never done this. Have you?
No, dude. I'm scared.
You should bring that up so we can like see like over the board.
Well, I wanted to see behind us too.
Yeah, I'll record on my phone. I got you.
What are you gonna record?
The board.
Oh, okay, that's what. Let me see how this one looks. Yeah, cause this one's straight. It sees like everything. Looks nice.
Okay. Don't have it on the board. When you're not playing.
Recording.
We're recording.
Let me say a quick prayer.
It's just a fucking board game.
He says don't play if you think it's a board game.
Yeah, don't play.
It's fucking, it's dangerous.
It's dangerous. All right.
Can we pray before this?
If I want to, I mean, who's gonna say it?
I think we should pray. Yeah, for you guys.
You got it. I'm leading this. Somebody else gotta say a prayer, bro. I'm leading
Fuck,
this.
man. Alright.
You going?
You got it, Jordan.
God, watch over us.
I got it. That's gonna die.
Dear baby Jesus.
Alright, dear Lord, please keep us safe with this board game.
Oh, it's not a game.
It's not a game. It's not a joke. just be with us. And
Give us the
safe
good guys, not the bad
and
guys. Please.
keep us safe.
Thank you,
Keep us
Lord.
safe.
We love
Jesus'
you.
name we pray.
Amen.
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 Jesus' name. Thank you.
If y'all
Alright.
If y'all say anything behind
Wait,
us,
hold on.
that's
Let me go. Let me check that thing. Yeah.
check the area out.
I see nobody.
It gets real. So nervous. All right, you ready, bro?
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna sit like this.
I just don't want to get too fucking scared.
Okay, everybody put 2 fingers on.
2 fingers.
2 fingers. All right. Now we're gonna go in a circle, and I'm gonna ask if anybody's here.
Don't be
if they
fucking
wanna-
moving it.
If they want to communicate with us. All
Which
right.
way are we going? This way?
We're just gonna go in a circle. You ready? Is there any ghosts out there that want to communicate with us? No, stop. Right.
Who the fuck is moving it?
Oh, sorry. Oh shit.
I'm not moving
Bro, fuck. God.
Who's moving it?
My fingers are barely on it, bro. I'm telling you. Oh shit, dude. Okay. I'm gonna ask it again. All right, you ready? We're gonna do it again. Are there any spirits out there that want to communicate with us? Dude, don't tell me this is a bus. Who's moving it, bro? Who's moving it, bro? Bro,
Who the fuck moving it?
chill out.
I'm not moving it, bro.
Bro, chill out moving it,
My things are
bro.
barely on it.
Chill out moving it, bro.
I'm not moving it.
Mason, that's you.
I swear to God, that's not me, bro. Why isn't it saying nothing now? Dude, this... Come on now. What do you want me to say?
What do you say?
I don't know. I mean,
Wait.
We're good.
Don't take your hands off the board.
See anybody? We're good. It's not us.
Dude, I don't know. This
Is there
not working.
anybody here?
Wait,
Well, there's obviously nobody.
come on.
Who the fuck moving it?
That's me, but
Oh.
come on, we're doing it again.
Okay.
Are there any spirits out there that want to contact us?
Is somebody walking?
Spirit. Bro, just chill out.
My fingers are barely on
Bro,
it.
chill out with that, bro.
My fingers are barely on it.
Bro. Y'all just see me lift my fingers up, bro.
Bro.
Bro!
Oh, God.
What the fuck? Y'all just see me lift my fingers up. My fingers
So were mine.
are not on it, bro. Hell no!
There's
Who was that? Who was
obviously-
that?
There's
All right,
obviously-
all right.
That wasn't
I
me.
swear to
That
God,
was
y'all saw
Bro,
my
my
fingers.
fingers are barely touching this shit, bro. Can we say goodbye?
No,
What's your
no.
name? What's your name?
Alright.
What's your name?
What is your name?
What is your name?
Bro, on God, who's moving it?
I swear to God, I'm not moving it, bro.
It
Okay.
is moving.
Okay, chill the fuck out.
R?
R.
Bro, who moving it?
I swear to God.
I swear I'm not moving it.
I swear I'm not moving it.
Where's that P?
Maybe that's his initials?
RP.
Bro.
Just let it go. I mean, I don't let it go, but like just let it spell. What is that?
T? RPT?
RPT.
RPT.
Hold on. How come we take our fingers out? Say goodbye real quick.
Can we say goodbye?
Wait. What year did you die?
I think you should ask the question.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what year you died.
What year did you die?
Bro, who is it?
I swear to God, my fingers just lifted up, bro.
2000.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait.
1.
One.
So it's probably like 19 something.
Yeah.
Bro, Mason, is that you?
Dude, look at my fingers. They're off thing.
Mine are barely on it. 18?
18. Oh, wait. Still moving. 18.
The 1800 storm? What was that, the 1900 storm? 1850.
50.
Six?
1856.
Ask him how old he was.
Yeah.
How old were you?
1856.
He was young. Oh my God. 2?
2.
Someone's coming.
Check the camera.
27.
27. All right.
Say goodbye real quick.
What is your first name?
Oh, someone's coming.
I think. Maybe say his first name. RPT.
What'd you ask him?
What is his first name? R.
Hit you.
You.
You?
You.
Q.
Yeah. Rook.
W.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, wait. Y?
Bro, my fingers are barely on it.
RUQYV. RUQYV.
Wait, hold on, are you? Ask me if it was American. Cause that sounded like an American name.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Can we say goodbye?
Bro, my finger is barely on
My
it.
fingers like gliding on it.
All right, goodbye. Wait for it to go to goodbye.
Thank you. Dude, it's nice. Can we go?
All right, go. Let go. Bro, what the hell?
Bro, I was not moving it.
Bro, I
my
swear to
fingers
God,
is
My
barely
fingers
on
are
it.
like gliding on
Oh
it.
my, bro.
And sometimes
And my
it'll
fingers are
move and my
sweaty.
fingers will like move
yeah,
like
move
away
off
from
of
it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I have to like just keep it like touching a little bit.
Bro, that was.
That's just like.
What was his name though? RUQY.
QYV.
RUQY. He died in when?
1857.
He was 27.
1857. He
Or
was
no,
27.
18,
What was his name?
1858.
RUQ.
He was 57.
What was his name? RUQ.
RUQYV.
1857. Maybe if you find a date. Holy shit.
Bro, Ruka, if it was an A, it was exorcism in Islam.
What?
Just say bye.
There's nothing for V, but look.
But it wasn't A, it was V.
Oh, there's nothing for V. It's an exorcism. You should ask me
What?
if it's bad or good.
Damn.
Alright.
Fuck that.
No, bro, come on.
Y'all wanna play one more time?
Do you want to play one more time?
You can see if it's like,
Yeah, because I thought I heard something.
Can you go check if your phone's still recording?
10%.
But it was recording, right?
Alright. We're going to play one more time. Let's see if we get the same person. If not,
Wait, what was your phone on?
It was like on 15. So it'll
Okay.
probably be that.
you ready?
What are you gonna ask him?
Turn back again. Put your fingers on.
We're just first we gotta ask if this is the same
Alright,
person.
yeah, you ready? Come on. Are there any spirits out there that want to contact us?
Right off the bat.
I swear it's not.
Okay.
Alright. Are you the same spirit from last session? That's yes.
Okay, ask him what that name meant.
That's
Or
too long.
was that
Alright,
like
hold on. Are you good or bad?
There isn't a.
You can say good or bad.
Yeah, he could. He's good. You good. Yo, put your fingers back on, bro.
What? My fingers, the camera stopped recording and it paused right when it did that.
Yo.
Sorry, didn't you?
Wait. Will you forgive him for letting his fingers off?
Did we break this? Did I break the connection?
No, did it.
He forgave you.
He
bro.
forgave you.
He forgave you.
Okay. We are sorry.
Okay.
Okay. Wait, I just had a.
Ask him if he died on.
All right.
on this train.
Wait.
Okay, did you die on the train?
Did you die on the train? All right. Hold on.
Ask him if this train crashed.
Yeah, ask him if he crashed.
Wait.
It's going to goodbye.
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 Wait, we didn't want to say goodbye to you.
I don't know.
Alright, well, if it says goodbye, it says goodbye.
What if somebody comes or something?
Alright,
He obviously said goodbye for a reason, bro.
I'm playing the game, bro. Come on.
He said goodbye for a reason.
No, come on,
Dude,
bro.
he said goodbye for a reason.
He said goodbye for
Dude,
a
maybe a
reason.
bad dude was coming or something.
I want to play again. I want to find out, bro. I can't do that.
He said goodbye, bro.
He said
no,
goodbye.
don't piss him
Come
off.
on,
Don't
bro.
piss him
I'm
off.
not. That's not pissing him off.
If he said goodbye, he don't want to talk
Yeah,
to
he
you.
said
When you play,
goodbye.
when you play.
He said goodbye, bro.
Billy, your phone's like almost dead.
Fuck, what percent is it on?
I don't know. It's still recording. Bro,
Play one more game.
I swear it wasn't you.
Play one more game. If it's a bad spirit, we'll say goodbye.
No, he said
He
goodbye.
said he's a good spirit.
He
Yeah,
said
but
goodbye.
I want to play again. Why did he say goodbye like that? Come on.
Maybe some bad was coming?
Come on.
No, we have to play
We have to play bro.
together. Just what are you gonna ask him though? Hold on.
I want to see. I want to see if there's a different spirit. I wanna see
No,
somebody
no.
else. Come on, bro.
Alright, come on.
Come on.
Wait, that don't
Ready?
make no sense. How did that one crash if this thing was made in 1940?
I don't know.
This thing was made in 1940.
Or happened in 1940?
When did
He said 18 something.
He died in when?
18 something. I'll have to look at the camera.
Alright.
Wait, let's see if there's any marks on the thing.
No, it's for me.
Look through the glass, you won't.
Don't look to the glass. Well, we're not playing
Okay,
it now.
I heard a phone. That nigga gotta be super close. There's a car coming. There's a white car coming.
There.
Through the grass?
On mom's. That's why he said goodbye. I guarantee it. There's a white minivan.
Where, nigga?
Wait on there. There's a white minivan coming in the thing. You see it down there? Billy?
Oh yeah, there's a white minivan down there.
Alright. Bro, that shit was
Oh,
badass.
he was nice though.
That shit was badass.
Hurry up and piss in.
She was fucking scared.
You want to go to the brewery now? I said we go to that thing at nighttime sometime.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop the recording, alright? Look around one more time.
Oh, we gotta take a picture.
There's a white car coming.